Okay. So from the beginning we'll start. Huh? You see, first thing is this presentation software. The software belongs to which package? That is your Open Office Impress. Okay. So what is a presentation? It is a systemic display of different kind of information with additives. Yes or no? Huh? So some common terms are there, like one is slide, one is handout, one is speaker notes. Okay. So one by one we will see. Now you see. Okay. This is the normal interface. Yes or no? This is a slide. This is a slide. Can you understand? These are the slides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, this is the outline. That means first page is the introduction. Then I have written A, then B, like this. So many slides will be there. These are the outline of your whole PPT. Yes or no? Then coming to what? Your notes. That means in this particular second slide, what you want to suppose speak. Yes or no? That is known as what? Your notes. Okay. Understood what is a note? Yes or no? Speaker notes. Okay. That means whenever you are studying something, that means this is the whole presentation slide where some pictures will be there, and the things which is related to those pictures, they will be kept here. But if you go for your slideshow of that particular thing, okay, these speaker notes won't visible. Okay, only the things present in the slides, they will be visible. Understood? Or could not understand?
Did not understand.
Okay, so you see, suppose you are preparing for a presentation. Huh? Suppose some teacher has told you to present something, okay, on a particular topic. So you have prepared, yes or no? After preparation of your slide, what you need to do? You have to read it, yes or no? That means in the first page what I will speak, in the second page what I will speak, in the third page what I will speak, yes or no? Like this you have to understand. So what you can do, you can write down some notes here. No, in introduction I will tell these things. Okay, in second page I will tell these things. Like that you will have some speaker notes. But suppose you are presenting now in the what after your faculty member or students, then what will happen? You see, your speaker notes won't come here. Those things only we will speak. That won't be visible to the audience. Understood?
सर बट हमें पीडीएफ कर या स्लाइड शो कलर से जो नोट्स पे आसुची
नेचुरल सेम कंटेंट दिया है इसी. You see, suppose you are giving a debate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you have prepared for the debate. You see, suppose two situations are there. In one situation, what is happening? You are having a full of paper and you are reading that one. Another one, nothing. You have nothing and simply you are speaking. Go on speaking. Which will be more effective? Without paper.
Will not see and speak.
So here what will happen? You see, only the pictures will be there. Content will be in the speaker notes only for your understanding. No, in this particular slide, I will tell only these things. For your preparation, those notes are important. But while your final presentation, those notes won't be visible to the audience. They did not to see those things. You have made your own draft. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But whatever slide I am showing to you, that is for educational purpose. You want that note. You want that as the note only. That's why I'm giving like that. If I have to present on something where I do not have to give the notes, then I will present like that only. Only pictures will be there. Some headings will be there. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood what is this notes? Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
What is handout? Handout means, you see, in case of Word file, what will happen? A full A4 page will be there. So many content can be used in a single page. But in case of PowerPoints, what will happen? Okay, this each page will have some one paper it will take to take the printout, and so many prints will come out if you go for normal normal printout. So what you need to do? Click this handout, then you take the printout. So that what will happen? Within a single A4 size paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of slides it can accommodate. So that student can easily read the outlines. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because in general what happens in case of presentation, only headings will be written. If only headings will be written, then definitely the font size will be larger. If you take the printout like this also, everything will be visible. Understood?
Yes sir. Sir आमे page रे 6 ରୁ ଅଧିକ pictures लगे पारियानी.
लगे परिबो? It is there in the option. Okay, in case of printout you see, it is there in the syllabus. This printer. Okay, just a minute. Okay, here you see, document, handouts. Okay. You see, this much number of pages can be kept in a single file. Understood? 9 you can keep. In a single A4 size paper, you can keep 9 number of slides at a time. According to the font size, which should be visible. Someone should easily can read those things. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes,
9
sir.
number of slides you can keep in a single A4 size paper. Okay, clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. The slide center, all of the slides will be what? Shown in a particular area. This is known as what? Your slide center. Understood? Yes or no? Everything understood? Okay. So you see, there are different kind of this presentation softwares like MS PowerPoint, I have told, then your OpenOffice, Impress. Okay, these are the major two used, okay, for presentation. First, now coming to the steps like starting an OpenOffice, Impress. How to start a OpenOffice, Impress. Okay, one by one we will discuss each step. Okay. So here you see, first is what? Your all program. Start. This is the start menu. Yes or no? As this is Windows 10, the all program is not shown, but here you have to check where OpenOffice is. Yes or no? Then you have to open the OpenOffice Impress. Understood how to open?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now you see such kind of one box will come. Okay, here you can see. Okay, such kind of box will come. One is empty presentation. Second is from a template. Third one is open existing presentation. This one you know? Yes or no? What is the shortcut?
Yes sir.
What is the shortcut for this open existing file? Control O. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay. What is empty presentation? One empty presentation will come out. Now you see how it will come. Whether original one you want or dark blue with orange. You can choose a original one or this dark blue with some orange lining, or you can have a subtle accounts. Okay, this is also a different kind of what layout. Understood? Suppose you want the original one, then your next you can go or create you can go. Okay, you want any effect, speed, nothing, then create. Understood? Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. This is what how to open a office. Okay. Open this OpenOffice Impress. Okay. Then what are the components you see? What is this? It is written on title. That means this is which bar?
Title bar.
Title bar. What is second one? Standard bar. Similarly, just like your what? Spreadsheet. This is what your standard bar. What is this? Formatting bar. Yes or no? Title bar, menu bar, standard bar, format bar. Understood?
Yes sir.
Okay. What is this? Slide pen. That means slide pen. This is the slide. This is a slide pen. That means whatever the slides you are creating, everything will be come up here. So this is what your slide pen. Okay, here you can see slide pen. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now you see this is what your workspace. That means whatever you want to do, you have to do it here. Okay. Then this is what? This is your drawing bar. Here every kind of draw, inserting picture, inserting emoji, shape, everything it will come up here. This is what your drawing bar. This is what your status bar, just like your spreadsheet. For everything, this is the status bar. Okay. This is what one. This is known as what your task pane. That means whatever you are clicking, okay, on that your task will be shown up here. This is what your task bar. Understood? Task pane. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the different components of a what? Impress, OpenOffice Impress. What? Okay. What are the things are there? These things are written here once you go through. Okay. This is the thumbnail view. Whatever it is there, it will be shown up here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then adding slides to a presentation. How to add slides? Can anyone tell how to? What you can do? You tell me. This is a slide. What you can do? Simply right click, new slide. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is one method. Another method is what here you see. Here also slide is there. Click it, it will come. Another. Understood?
Yes, sir.
What else you can do? You have to insert a file or insert a something. That means what you can do? Same.
Insert option.
Then
Slide.
slide over. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So three methods we have understood. This is from shortcut. Okay. Another from which one? Standard bar. Another from insert menu bar, that to slide. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then what is next? Then how to delete a slide?
Click on this slide
Which click? Left click or right click?
and then
Left click or right click? Option means right click every time. Wherever
right
you
click.
go. Right click. You can go for simply delete. Yes or no? Or else your delete key is there in the keyboard. Click the slide you want to delete, then go for delete. Understood or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then changing the slide layout. Okay, here you can see. First thing is, suppose you want to change the layout of this slide, of this first slide. Then what you can do? Here you see in the task pane already it is showing. This can be a layout, this can be a layout, this can be a layout. According to your need, you can go for different type of layouts. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, here also the option is there, you see. Suppose clicked here, then here also the option is coming. Where? After the next slide, this slide layout. If you go there, it will come. Slide layout. You can click and change any kind of layout you want. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here also it is there. If you right click also, you see slide layout option is coming. Understood? Okay. Again, three ways.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is there? Entering text in a slide. How to enter a text, you tell? Suppose this format you have used. So how to enter a text? It is already written. Click to our title. Type something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have chosen a slide where the text box are not there. Then what you can do?
Choose the layouts.
No, you can change the layout. Anything else? You can add a text box. Yes or no? How you can insert the text box? Here it is not there anyway. You see this drawing bar. Yes or no? What is there? You see T. T for text. Click it. Then have a text box. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Like this, you can enter some text or any kind of things. Understood? Okay. Suppose you see, I will put this one, I will remove. Okay, like this, something I can do. Okay. And I can keep it content here or any kind of other things also I can insert. Okay. So what is next? Inserting a text box, you understood? Okay. Then editing and formatting text. Suppose you have input something, that means you have written introduction. Now what you can do, you can change the font. Again same thing, formatting bar, you can change the fonts, you can change the font size. Okay, bold, then italic, then underline, yes or no, shadow you can put. Okay, then left alignment, middle alignment, then right alignment, justification. Okay, like this also you can do. Okay, then bullet form you can keep. Okay, bullets will come. Okay, what is this? This is not coming. Leave. Increase font, leave. Then you change the color also. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
In this formatting bar, you can change so many things. Okay. Then what is there? Applying a slide design. Okay. Now, how to apply slide design? You see, here also one slide design option will be there. You see, slide design. Okay, directly you can click it here. This is the normal design available here. So what you can do, you can load some different kind of designs like presentation background. Okay, suppose you want this subtle accounts. Okay. Okay. So you see, new one has been created. Suppose you don't want this one, then you can choose some other like this one, recommendation of a strategy. You see, that will also come. Okay, suppose I want this one. Then it will be changed like this. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
have changed the slide design. So how to do? You can find the slide design in case of standard bar. Then you can go for loading different kind of designs present already in the computer. Then you select something. Then okay. Then this design will be changed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then maybe some other methods are there. In format also you can do. You see, in case of format also, your slide design is there. Again, slide layout is also there. You can go for slide design and you can have the same thing. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
That means in the menu bar also you can do in the format. Again, in the standard bar also you can do the things in the same manner. Okay. In shortcut menu, is it coming? Slide design. Here also it is coming. You see, by clicking on the slide in the slide pane also, you can go for slide design. Understood? Again, 3 methods. Okay. In the menu bar,
Yes, sir.
the standard bar, in the slide pane also, you can go for right click and you can change the design. Okay. Like this you can do. You see, so many are coming. Why so many are coming? Because they have preloaded those things. Okay, that's why it is coming. But as I am not using this one, no preloading templates are there, so it's not coming in my case. Okay. Then changing the background style. Okay, you see how to do again. Suppose you want to change this background. Okay, then format. Okay, then your page. In this page, some options will come. Okay. So many kind of options will come. Okay, you can change the width. Okay, so many things you can change here. Okay, then what you can do, different kind of things are there like this. You see, background will be changed. Understood? But not yet changed. Understood or not? How to do? Then I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
That is this one. Format, then your page, then from here you can select so many things. Okay, gradient, or you want any kind of this kind of things. Okay, or this kind of things. Okay, suppose you want to do this one. Then you see one thing is coming. background setting for all pages. You see 3 pages are there. Where you want, whether in 3 of the pages or in only this single page, where you want. Suppose you want in every page. So what will happen? Yes means every page will be changed. Understood?
So single page also can be done.
Single page can also be done. You see how? Format page. Wait. Okay. Suppose this is the case. Then format, then page. Okay. Suppose I want gradient. Suppose yellow. Okay. Then if I will put no, then what will happen? Only this selected. Which page I have selected? One only, one slide. So only one will be changed. 2, 3 won't be changed. You see, if I will put no, then only one will be changed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If I put yes, every slides will be changed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what next? Okay. Then saving a presentation. How to save? You tell.
Ctrl+S.
But what we have done, you see, we have not created a file. What we have done, we have directly started from what? All program. So now you have to go for what? Your Ctrl+Shift+S. What is that? Save as.
Save as.
Other like this, save as you can do. Otherwise, you can go for Ctrl+Shift+S. Okay. Suppose where I want to save in, suppose +2. So here I can on title, not on title. Suppose I will put CSP PPT. Okay. So it will be saved as whatever CSP PPT. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir. So why not save?
Now you can go for okay. I will tell you. See what is save and what is save as. Now as it is saved, now you can go for Ctrl+S. But suppose what I have done, suppose I will do like this, new file, then suppose I will put open document presentation. Okay, then I will put something. Okay, now when I will open this one, I can go for save. Getting my point or not? I think you could not understand. You say, while doing like this, all program and all, have you did it in any location? Have you created that file at any location in the computer? No. You are not getting, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You see, this is a location, yes or no? In my hard drive, there is a file fun. In that +2, in that skill course, in that I am creating a file. One document is created. But what is the meaning of this start, then all program, then open office? Here what will happen? That won't be saved. Okay, like this. That means no particular location will be there for that file. For the first time, what you need to do? You have to go for save as in such kind of documents. Understood or not?
So for saved documents, if we do any changes to that, we can save, or else we have to do save as.
Okay. Wait. I will show you what will happen. Okay. You can understand the difference. Suppose I have opened a Impress only. It will directly go to again save as only. You see. Next. Okay, create. Okay, suppose I will put save option is not coming. First thing. Suppose I will put Ctrl+S. What is happening? Again the same thing. Save as is only coming. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Why you understood? That means you see this is happening in the RAM now, not in the ROM. That means if you start like this, okay, from this surface, that means a file is going on, but the file is nowhere. Understood or not? Understood?
Yes,
now,
sir.
If you don't save this one and simply switch off the computer, means this will be lost. Understood? Completely,
Yes,
this
sir.
will be lost. But suppose you are doing like this, and you have created this one, then here some documents are there. Suppose the file is switched off, computer is switched off. Then also what will happen? Before saving, whatever the contents were there, they will be there only. They won't be deleted. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood now the difference? Yes or no? If you do more times these things, then automatically you can understand the difference. May not be now, but you will differentiate what is save and what is savage. Understood or not?
Sir, save माने जो document already save अच्छी and आमे
माने तार गोटे अवस्थिति अछि कोठी गोटे अवस्थिति अछि कंप्यूटर रे तार सेव बोली ऑप्शन आसीबो बुझलो ना एबे आर सेव बोली ऑप्शन आर देखोनी जस्ट अ मिनिट किछ चेंज करनी मो माने कर किछ गोटे चेंज करले ओके एबे आर अवस्थिति अछि सीपीएस बोली अछि सीएसपी बोली अछि एबे आर सेव बोली आछो कारण ए फाइल ता गोटे जगह रे अछि कंप्यूटर किंतु ए फाइल जदि तमे कहबो ए फाइल ता कंप्यूटर कोठी नाही जे रियल टाइम चली छि जदि आक रखियार अछि तुमको सेव एस करियार अछि understood
yes sir
that is the difference save as means the file is nowhere only the operation is going on save means the file is somewhere some modification has been done now you want to save it overwrite it now you want to overwrite that is what your save बुझलो
हाँ sir
okay so what next control okay suppose you want to means password protection means what to do suppose you want to have a password protection then just click it here yes or no then
yes
it will come for password then you can give the password then when you give the password then only it will open okay leave those things it is not there closing how to close you can go for this file exit or here you can click yes or no it will be closed understood
yes sir
here you can go where in the title bar or by going to file then exit also you can do okay then opening a presentation how to open control O yes or no suppose I want to open this one only then open and it will come up okay
so existing presentation by control plus O na
control O माने कर तमे इंप्रेस जस्ट नॉर्मली खोलिछो तमे गोटे एक्जिस्टिंग टाको खोलिया चाहछो ताले कोन कंट्रोल सपोज एटा अछि मु चाहिबी आ गुड कोटा माने कर एटा खोलिया चाहिबी देन ओपन मींस दैट विल बी ओपन एटा ओपन हे गेला बुझलो
yes sir
okay then no understood na clearly okay
हाँ sir
okay then view and organizing slides what organize okay तो देखो एटा कोड मन करो तमरा स्लाइड हला एथरे कोन अछि different tabs are there like normal tabs are there what space is this these things you know I have told you these things normal outline notes handout slide center yes or no
yes sir
these things I have told you what is this slide pane what is this work space where your editing and other things will be done understood
yes sir
okay those things only shown here what is outline view okay this is the outline view okay what is the outline view you see introduction material method result okay outline view these things I have told notes view I have told okay okay this is handout view I have shown slides are shown okay then some keys are there like you see select consecutive multiple slides how to do shift plus click understood or not hello understood
yes
I have clicked here then shift clicked on this 2 clicked on the 3 understood
yes sir
what else you can do click it somewhere in the pane then go for control A yes or no all the slides are selected
sir control all पे ना
hello
sir
understood
control A to select all पे ना
you see In this slide pane, I have, no, you say I'm not clicking here. I have clicked here. Understood or not? That's why I told you, click any slides in the slide pane. This is the slide pane. Anywhere you click it, then go for Control A. Then only it will be selected. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here what will happen? So many things are there. Okay, and here I will put, and I will put Control A. Then what will happen? These things, all of these things will be selected, not this one. These things will be selected. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I will click it here, then Control A, then only this, all things will be selected, not this one even. Understood? Huh? Wherever you are clicking, that will trigger that all selection, not others. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to select 1 and 3, then how to do? 1 and 3, suppose you want to do. Click on
Select
1,
then shift, then 3.
No, not shift. Now not shift. What is that? Control 3. Yes or no? If consecutive.
Shift करले.
No. You see, if consecutive, like this. Understood or not? Huh? 1, then 2, then 3. Then shift will be used. Suppose you want to select 1 and 3. Then control only. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Control पूजा पहला shift कौन पैसा?
देखो हम कुछ हैं. Suppose you see 1 to 5 number of slides are there. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose out of 5 you want consecutive 3 slides. Then what you can do? Select on 1, then press shift, then press 3. Then what will happen? Out of 5, 3 has been selected because these 3 are consecutive in nature. Understood? At that time, shift will be used. Suppose I want 1, 3 and 5. Then what to do? 1 plus control. Then control 5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the difference. Consecutive means shift, and individual different non-consecutive means you have to go for control key. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then delete means simply delete key you can do. Yes or no? Here you can do delete, or in the keyboard delete is there, you can go for deletion. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose you want to do 1 and 3. You want to delete 1 and 3. Then what to do? Select one slide.
Control. Select one slide, then control, then select third slide, and then delete.
Delete. Then it will be deleted. Suppose what I want to move this 5th number slide to the first one. Then what I can do? Simply drag. I will left click here and I will drag it. Okay. And I will drag it. Okay. Like this I will drag. Okay. 5th came into first one. Understood?
Yes.
Simply I can go for dragging. Okay. So these things understood. Move, delete, select non-consecutive, consecutive. Okay. Then inserting image. How to insert an image? Suppose I want to insert an image here. Suppose some open office image I want to load means what I can do? Insert means what? Insert menu is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here what I can do? I can insert a picture. Picture means from file means what? Whatever it is there in your computer. Okay. That one I can insert. Understood or not? Now you see the picture has been inserted here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the worker and this is the drone. Okay. This is the drone. You can see the difference. Okay. Those things we'll discuss later. Understood how to insert a picture?
Yes, sir.
So just like Instagram, here also you can see different kind of filter may be there. Okay. Different kind of things are there. Okay. You see different kind of filters are there. Okay. This one color change will be there. Okay. Some modifications, some edits we can do. Okay. This may be brightness. Okay. Some line drawing and all also we can do. The border you can change. Okay. Then you can fill it with color also. Okay, everything will be changed. Okay, shadow effect can be given. Okay, then this is crop. Why to crop? Suppose I want only drone, so what I can do, I can simply go for cropping the picture. Okay, like this also we can do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here also like this we can edit the things. Okay, one more thing is there. What is that? Your preloaded things. Okay, it is there in the tools. Okay, you see what is preloaded things? You see, like tools. In tools, what will happen? Your gallery is there. Gallery means what? These are the things present in what? In your open office. Such kind of things are present. Suppose I want to insert this globe, then what to do? Simply go for these tools, then gallery. Okay, tools, then gallery, then select something, some category, then this one, then I can drag it here. Okay, and it is pasted here. I can increase or decrease the size. Okay, like this I can do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you see nowhere the option of removal is there. What you can do now? Again go to tools, then you deselect the gallery, then it will go. Understood? Yes or no?
Sir, it did not go.
Atra koi
Picture vanish hello.
could not listen. Hello?
Sir, the picture to insert hello, but the could delete.
Delete normal, just delete, then it will go. Understood? Click it, then delete it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, delete every time. Just put the delete, it will go. This is the longest method. This is, you see here also the gallery is there. Similar things you can do. Such kind of things you can put. Okay, then again deselect this one, it will go. Okay. Increase
Yes,
size, rotate, and all those things you can do. Okay. What else is there? Okay, gallery over. Then picture how to insert, you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this you can do, and you can change so many things. Okay, so many things are there. Again, here also some options are coming. You see, brightness you can increase, decrease, contrast you can increase, decrease. Okay, color mode, transparency. Okay, so many things are there. Okay, you can change. Keep those things. Okay, so many options are there. You can edit this picture. Okay, either from the, this is known as which pen? I also forgot. This is known as, you also, you forgot, which pen? That one, tool pen, I think, or task pen. Sorry, this is task pen. Here also you can modify in the formatting pen also, formatting bar also you can modify. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What I have searched for, why I have scrolled this much? To know
For
this,
task pen.
this pen is known as task pen. Okay. Okay, what is next? You're using font bar gallery. Okay, how to do these things? Then over now. Okay. Now how to do? You see for this one, you see font bar gallery. You can go for this font bar gallery. Then such kind of different styles will come. Okay, so many styles are there. You see, and you can select any one style. Okay, okay. Then it will come. Just delete this one. Okay. And Then what to do? You see, suppose you want to change this one. Have you understood this step? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Okay. To insert a fontwork things, okay, what to do? Go to the drawing bar. There you select the fontwork gallery. Click it here, left click. You see so many styles came. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have selected this one. Suppose you have selected this one. Okay. Then you have clicked it here. Yes or no? Left click. I have clicked here. Then okay. It came. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to change the size and all. You have changed the size. This one. Okay. Now, how to type the things? Whatever you want to type.
Click on font.
By clicking, it is not coming. You see, you have to go for double click. Understood?
Yes, sir.
By single time clicking, it is not coming. You have to go for double click. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can go for this text. No, it is not coming. You have to double click only. You have to go for double click. Okay? Then go for backspace. Okay? Then you write down something. Okay? Then it will be changed. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
In Shaktiman, this font was only used, I think. Okay, anyway. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose now you see, suppose you want to insert some shape. Okay, here you see different shapes are there. Okay, smiley is there. Okay, then some other shapes are there. Okay, so many are there. You can choose anything and you can put it here. These are some arrows are there. Okay. Flowchart is also there. Okay, like this you can insert some of the things. Understood? Yes or no? Everything in which bar? Drawing bar. Yes or no? From the drawing bar, you can insert the picture, you can insert the font work, you can insert the shapes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, like this, so many things you can do. Okay. Then what next? Inserting shape. Okay. Self drawn on a slide. Okay. Now what you can do? You can suppose you have selected this shape. Now you can go for some kind of changes to it. Okay. Like this you can do. You see the changes. You can change the styles. Like this it will become, or like this it will become. Like this you can do. Then you can change the color. Okay. This color also you can change. Okay. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You can change these things. Okay. Like this you can do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
For all of the things, you can do all of these things. This is for border, line color. This is the upper line. And this is the, which one? Area. This is the whole area. Okay. Like this, you can change. Okay, understood?
Yes,
It is
sir.
again coming in the formatting bar, again in the task pane. Everywhere.
Task pen.
Okay, everywhere it is coming. Okay. Color, okay, let's try it. Inserting sound or movies. Okay, again same. Okay. Same, insert, then you can go for this movie and sound. You can insert all of these things. Okay. Suppose I want to insert this one. Not supported. Then audio only. Maybe some reduced file size it may take. Okay, not. Just anything you can just insert. Okay, like this you can insert means the file will be uploaded here. Okay, so whenever you will open this file, this will come out. This will be played. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, like this it will come and that will appear on the slide. Okay. Then slide transition. Okay, so what do you mean by slide transition? What do you mean by that? How this slide will appear? Yes or no? Suppose I will click it here. You see in the slide pane, slide transition. Okay, some of the styles will come. Okay, like this one. Like this it will come. So if I will go for slideshow, okay, then what will happen in the first slide? It will come like this. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose for the second one, I will put like this. Okay. Now what will happen? You see, I will go for slideshow means first page like this. Then next means it will come like this. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here you see some other options are coming, like what is the speed, fast or slow, then very slowly it will go. If you want any sound, suppose you want any sounds, okay, suppose upload. Okay, Tali Mariki, this will start. Is it audible to you? May not be. Or audible?
Audible, sir.
Okay, if any kind of sound I will give is that kind of sound will come. Now the slide sound is coming to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so like this you can do. Understood? So for each and every slide you can put some transition. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Suppose now you see, suppose this has come up. Now in this page, suppose you want some animation. So what you can do? Suppose first you want from result. Okay, here you see animation. Okay, suppose for this you want some animation like this. Okay, like this you want. Then click it. Okay, in very fast. Okay, suppose after result honeybees should come. Then you can add some again some kind of things. Okay. Okay. So you see the sequences first result will come, then this honeybee will come. Now you see the slideshow. Slideshow shortcut key is F5. Okay. First it will come, then second page will come, then result will come, then honeybees will come. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You might have seen some faculties, anyone may be there. Okay, they will they want each and every lines one by one. Then what will happen? Result first that will come, then conclusion will come, then some picture will come, then again some lines will come. Like this one by one you can do. Understood? Understood or not? Suppose you want honeybees first. Okay, suppose you want honeybees first, then you want the result sentence, result word. Then what you can do? You can use this function like this one. It will go upwards. Now you will go for F5. What will happen? You see, first honeybees will come, then sentence will come. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Custom animation also understood, huh? Okay. You can use these things, motion path and all. Order this one function I have told. How to remove the animation? Suppose you want to remove this one, then how to do? Right click, remove. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can put some timing, how much time it will come, like this, huh? Okay, like this it will come. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here you can do the individual animation, again the what slide transition also you can do from this particular menu. Okay. Then how to print a presentation? How to print?
Control plus P.
Control plus P, it will come. Otherwise, from the print option also you can go for printing. Yes or no? Huh? Here print is there. Okay. Print option will come. Okay. Otherwise, you can export it to PDF directly. Okay. You see, you can make it PDF also. Okay. Then again, you see, okay. Suppose you want handouts. Okay, like this it will come. Huh? How many pages are there? Slides are there. Some 5 are there or 6 are there. Suppose I want 6. Then all will come. Suppose I want 9. Then all will come. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I should put 6 so that it will be magnified. Huh? All will be filled up in a single page. Understood?
Yes, sir.
How many copies you want? 1, 2, 3. Here you can change. Okay. Suppose your printer is connected to one is black and white printer, one is 3D printer, one is color printer. Here the options will come when that will be connected. Then you can go for printing out wherever you want. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or any doubt is there? Okay, over, huh? Okay, so this much things were there.